Math can be a very scary subject. Hi, I'm Miss Yang and I teach primary school math. I decided to bring in the use of technology to make math fun and accessible for my students. The moment you mention about technology or the use of a device, the faces will lit up and then, it's bright smiles everywhere. For example, I do make use of the Sphero to help them understand the concept of speed. It's actually a robot that moves based on block-based coding. So the students get to use block-based coding to actually move the Sphero to draw connections between the distance covered and then the time taken, and therefore how they derive the speed of that moving object. And they have to make use of their concepts for angles and change the variables between the speed and time to be able to move through the course or the maze successfully. By using technology, I also create and design activities for my students that's pitched at their level. It could also be a video or voice recording. So with this differentiated activities, students then will be able to taste a bit of success because they are actually able to answer the question without doing it in the usual pen and paper format. Technology will also allow my students to learn at their own pace and revisit some of the things that we do in class. Most importantly, I think it's to promote that self-directedness in them and to spark off their curiosity for them to want to try it and explore the subject even further. When you have that passion for learning, you'll be curious about the things around you, then you will be able to actually handle whatever challenge that you might face in the future.